Grade 12 CBSE English Core A Thing of Beauty by John Keats. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa. In the previous video, I had explained more about the poet and background of the poem. Now we will be looking into the first 5 lines of the poem, A Thing of Beauty. A thing of beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases. It will never pass into nothingness, but will keep a bower quiet for us and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. Now let's go into the line-wise analysis of the poem. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. The poet John Keats, in a lucid language, states that a thing which is beautiful is always a matter of joy. That is, a beautiful object, natural or artificial, makes a person happy for a long time, even if its beauty fades or if it's put into different circumstances. Its loveliness increases. It will never pass into nothingness. In this line, the poet says, like how joy multiplies with every beautiful thought, the loveliness of a beautiful thing increases each time we recall it in our mind. It provides to us eternal and everlasting joy which will never cease, but will keep a bower quiet for us. Herein, the poet says that a beauty performs like shade of trees which are soothing, relaxing, and protects from the harsh rays of sun. It gives the perfect equilibrium that we long for and assures complete well-being. And a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. A thing of beauty gives us comfort in so many ways that it gives us a sleep with sweet dreams, good health and quiet breathing. These are essential in our lives to refresh and relax and to drive away all restlessness. Structure of poem. A Thing of Beauty is written in rhyming couplets and the poem is in iambic pentameter. Couplet, set of 2 lines that rhyme. Iambic pentameter, 10-syllable line with stressed or unstressed pattern. The poetic device in use is enjambment. Check out for the lines, it will never pass into. An enjambment is a continuation of a phrase or sentence beyond the end of the line of a verse. To conclude, through the poem, John Keats supports the eternal state of beauty. The poem acquaints us how beautiful things play an important role in our lives. It expresses how beauty brings us near to endless joy, which never stops, but it goes on increasing. Food for thought. If you were given a choice between a desert safari and a roller coaster ride, which one would you choose? Why? Keep thinking. Until we meet tomorrow, by this time, with analysis of the next 6 lines of the poem and food for thought, keep thinking. Feel free to drop in your answers and comments. If you like the content, please share, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, hit the bell icon. Thank you.